Yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs.
All right, guys, you are on my chest right now. Didn't film an intro because I ain't got my Dewey on. And kind of, you know, insecure about how thin my hair got just because, you know, I was diabetic. But, I mean, it came back a little bit healthier, but it's still, you know, a work in progress. No current down there. Usually there's hella current. I already see fish down there. Hopefully I can just cast from up here. Oh, there's a dead perch. I don't know if y'all can see that on the left. But yeah, this is a little spot for right now. And then we'll probably walk the creek. I mean, I ain't got nothing better to do today. All right, first little cast. Usually just sitting right there. There we go. Oh, shoot. What we got? Oh, I think he came off. Oh, no, he didn't. Oh, we got a little perch. Ate that thing up. Look at that perch. I mean, decent size. Nothing crazy, but nothing small, you know? I love how this chest mount is, but also the 0.5 just comes into clutch. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. I don't wanna be too close so they can't see me, but I'm gonna get a little bit closer because it was hard to, like, you know, set the hook from up there. There we go. Probably just another little perch. Oh, this one beautiful. There we go. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a catfish chasing this perch. Oh, I gotta go for that catfish. Come here, buddy. Just accidentally caught this perch. Oh, that's a biggin. Well, not like a biggin, but you know, it's pretty big compared to the ones we were catching. Beautiful. Beautiful. Came out of nowhere too. Look at that fishy. What up? It's in the back of my car.
Can I grab him?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you walk to your car after I get my shoes off? Do you want these? Let me test them.
Bro, this angle is so much better. This angle is so much better. This guy. Okay, listen, bro. Is it on lock? Fucking lost the line again. Motherfucker. So I'm not getting this line again. This shit's just, it's not it. I don't know, this seems so, I don't know, we'll go with it. Like I said, old school. I literally just throw live worm, that's it. I haven't really, you know, used any fake stuff, but I had when I went to Oklahoma to do crappie fishing, you know, Bobby Garlands and stuff, but just out in the creek, I use worm. Oh yeah.
Oh, it is deep. No, it's not.
Almost just ate shit already.
I told you I want my phone in that. I'm to get wet if I drink it.
You already know, guys. Had to bring a Celsius out here. You know the vibes. Brought a little homie. This guy, bro. You gonna fucking. Anyway, so this is the creek. Walking upstream. Usually, if you're creek fishing, you want to walk downstream, because if you walk upstream, you're gonna tell the fish that you're coming. But we're gonna do upstream anyways.
Well, we can walk down if you want it. I mean,
Yeah, I guess it doesn't get that deep.
We're gonna just do it.
Bro, I was thinking like right there where that tree is.
Yeah, that would be money because there's a whole bunch of cover. That's why I just went over.
No, I haven't been.
Oh, I thought you were working last week.
I mean, I was last week.
Oh, that's pure drop off. How deep is it?
We're gonna find out.
Oh, that's decent.
Oh, yes.
never mind.
A little
He has
perch,
a big
bro.
belly on though, doesn't he?
Yeah. Hey, I mean, didn't get skunked. Shit.
I swear.
Just got something, you know?
Oh my goodness, he has a belly on him. That might be the fattest perch I've ever seen.
Damn, that thing ain't eating. Either that or
Do you
pregnant.
put the thing of your bowl in the water? The butt of your bowl in the water, or will that hurt?
That would be fine.
I've never like freaked it. Well, the other pond on the other side of town, that ain't really freaked, bro. That cup's like 2 inches deep. And this is a big one. This thing like has the body of a fish shark, but it looks like a
There's so many snags, bro.
It's like sticking out of his gill and stuff, bro. I feel bad for him. Get him? No.
Damn.
Oh, I can't reel it.
Bro, why'd that fish die, bro?
Oh,
And then,
release.
oh, yeah.
Quick release for the my pole.
I think a dead deer. Oh, it's all good, but looks like there's a rope tied to it. It's got maggots all over it, bro. Yeah, but you see there's like a rope tied to it, dude. What the fuck? I'm gonna hope that's a deer. Well, no shit. See if there's anything sitting in the bottom of this.
today, me and this little white cracker Eli. Oh my bad.
Anyways, guys, switch the spots up because the other spot was dog. You feel
Literally,
me?
there was a dead one.
Yeah, now that I look at that, I'm pretty sure that was a fucking dead dog with a rope tied to it. I don't know if I was supposed to call that in or I don't know, because it definitely looked like a dog after, you know, my second look.
Is that big enough? Or do you want to?
About to get copyrighted. That's good. I'm about to PP myself. Bro, with that singing. With that singing.
Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with
Cute little puppy. Oh, shoot.
too many sticks. I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Listen, hold up,
Smart little puppy.
hold up.
If I had Bean out here, she'd be all fucking sped.
Wanting to sit on the edge of the bed, but
Oh, no current?
must have went over.
I like this.
Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Listen,
That was the worst fucking cast I've ever seen in my life.
the Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Sniped his ass, he got hit in the head.
We gotta get further back there.
Get underbody.
Little baby fast.
How you come over the spot?
Fellas, I gotta pee.
Know it's your time of the morning.
I gotta fucking piss.
See how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she
Big old bite, boy.
I gave her dick for
Big old bite.
see me my whole feet. I don't
There's no way. Look at that perch, boy.
No.
Cute little thing.
Sex in the bank, telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a
First
rainbow,
spot,
that's 'cause it
first little perch.
Whoa,
How do you know this?
whoa. Yeah, that's that sex
I
in
didn't
the
mean to
nines.
skip right over your line.
Breaking and
Oh,
bending
I'm
the
sorry.
spines.
Don't do
I
that.
hate a privileged
Oh,
rapper.
I felt your bite
Oh.
on mine.
Let's go.
Full of excuses.
I mean,
I
it's
felt your
decent.
bite on my reel.
I mean, it's decent. Nothing crazy, but that was a crazy hook set.
Yeah, I know. I seen that side hook. That was like a double fishing pole hook set. That's crazy. It's gotta get 8 watts. We need to find a different. Oh, we need to find a different method than just always worm. Because I feel like that gets expensive after a while, right?
Hell no, it's only fucking $5.
Yeah, a guy like me scraping, dude.
At least we catching panfish. That's all I care about.
Well, you are. Don't hook that in my head, please.
Bro, snag. Oh, psych. Got it out. Because I'm a dog. And that's what I do.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up,
You're welcome.
bless up, bless up.
Wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind.
Oh, he took my worm.
You can't put me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. Counting back on the clothes I need. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walked out and blew some grass. Cause smoke what you want, bro, just crashing past. Look at this bitch,
Nothing like pan fishing, bro. Tiny little perch.
that'll make me no hoe. That'll make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes.
That thing kind of ugly.
It was.
I'm telling you guys, one day I will be doing some crazy fishing. But you always got to start somewhere, so the creek it is, you know? Beautiful pumpkin seed.
Swear. That might be one of the, like, beautiful. This is a perfect little spot to fish. No wonder you're on. I hate whenever they just play with it, you.
Mm-hmm. there we go. Yeah, you're good. All right, got it. We're leaving the poles behind. What up? Yeah, people are disgusting, dude. Huh? Help? What the fuck I'm gonna help with, cut? Just walk. You just walk. Anyways, I'm leaving the poles behind. I saw something down here that looked weird. Like some type of like boat looking thing or like a car. Ugh. See what's in there. God damn. My chest mount. Oh shit. What the It was like a truck with a fucking rug over it. Alright guys, walking back to the car. Gonna call it a day. It's like 3:30ish. You know, caught some, perch, some panfish. The only thing you really catch around here in the creek. Because for some reason the bass in the creek don't bite. But yeah, it's gonna be it for the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.
Don't cut me down, bring me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man, lifted me to erase. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please.